हेलो व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। और हमारा टॉपिक जो आज है वो है एमसीक्यूज ऑन जियोग्राफी ऑफ जे.एंड.के। ये जे के एसएसबी वाई क्यूज हैं। एंड स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू से। व्हाट इज़ द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ द सैफरन प्लांट कल्टिवेटेड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर? ऑप्शन ए क्रॉक्स सेटिवस इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ जम्मू जहलम रिवर? जहलम रिवर की टोटल लेंथ क्या है? मेन रिवर्स की आप लेंथ भी याद रखना, क्योंकि कुछ भरोसा नहीं है क्या हो सकता है। ऑप्शन डी 725 किलोमीटर इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 3M question number 3, arrange the following places of Kashmir region from north to south places। अगर हम देखें तो बानी हल्का सबसे लास्ट में है साउथ की तरफ, एंड जो गिलगित है, गिलगित पीओकी में है, वो सबसे टॉप है। तो इससे करेक्ट आंसर जो है 3C, Gilgit, followed by Kargil, followed by Srinagar, and then Banhal. Okay. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Jammu and Kashmir covers an area of 101387 square kilometers and lies between latitude 28 degrees 7 minutes and 35 degrees 5 minutes north. Statement 2. The higher regions are covered by Pir Panjal, Karakoram, and inner Himalayan ranges of mountains. इसका आंसर जो है B, that is option 2 is correct. Okay, only 2. Which region of Jammu and Kashmir is known for its sericulture and cold water fisheries? Which region of Jammu and Kashmir is known for its sericulture and cold water fisheries? C, Kashmir is the correct. Which river is known as the Moor River? Option A, Chenab is the correct answer. Jhelum को क्या बोलते थे? वितस्ता. Which one of the following mountain peaks of the north in India? Okay, इंडिया के नॉर्थ में कौन सी माउंटेन पीक है? Option A, Annapurna is the correct answer. Option A, Annapurna is the correct answer. Which glacier lies in the Karakoram range system of Kashmir near the India-Pakistan border? Siachen Glacier. Option A is the correct answer. Another question. Arrange the following mountain ranges from north to south. Order north to south क्या है? मतलब अगर हम देखेंगे, Ladakh, followed by Zanskar, followed by Pir Panjal, and then Doladar. Correct answer is 4213. Question number 11. Zojila Tunnel connects Jammu and Kashmir with which state? Rather, it is which state or UT? UT Ladakh. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following river is also known as Veth in Kashmir? Jahlam, with Veth or Vitasta. The source of which of the following rivers is the Kailash Kund spring at Sewj Hills in Bhadarwah in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir? कैलाश कुंड स्प्रिंग स्यूज हिल्स में किस रिवर का ओरिजिन है? रिवर तावी. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज आर डिवाइडेड बाय द रेड क्लिफ लाइन? इसका करेक्ट आंसर जो है इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश. बट इसका जो एसएसबी ने इंडिया एंड चाइना दिया था. इंडिया एंड चाइना के बीच जो है वो उसको मैकमोहन लाइन बोलते हैं. Which pass connects Jammu and Kashmir with Ladakh? Option A, Zojila Pass. Which mountain range separates the Kashmir Valley from the Jammu region? Obviously, Pir Panjal range. That is the option D is the correct answer. Purple revolution in J&K is associated with purple color, lavender. Which of the following seasons is referred to as Wahrat in Jammu and Kashmir? What is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B, rainy season. River leather in Jammu and Kashmir originates from? Option B, Kolhai Glacier. The Rupalank Island is in which lake of Jammu and Kashmir? Option C, that is Dal Lake, is the correct answer. Halman is a variety of a fruit grown in the areas of Jammu and Kashmir. Halman is a variety of apricot. Option A is the correct answer. Highgaon Wetland Reserve is located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? And the correct answer is Highgaon Wetland is in Baramulla district. Option D is the correct answer. In which year a botanical garden was set up in memory of India's first Prime Minister in Jammu and Kashmir? 1969. Option D is the correct answer. How is saffron a cash crop locally called in Kashmiri language? Kong. Option C is the correct answer. Who was the builder of the Marthan Sun Temple and the founder of Kashmir's Valleys Canal irrigation system? Option B is the correct answer. That is Lalit Aditya Muktapida. After passing through Srinagar, the river Jhelum flows into which of the following lakes? Wula Lake में flow करता है. Option B is the correct answer. Mansbal Lake is located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Option C is the correct answer. That is Gandarbal. Which of the following is a popular shrine of Baramulla situated near the Al-Pathar Lake? Ziyarat Baba Rishi. Option C is the correct answer. Is known as the Meadow of Jesus in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Option C is the correct answer. Yusmar को Meadow of Jesus के नाम से जाना जाता है. Which of the following is known as Harmukh Ganga? गंगबल लेक को हरमुख गंगा के नाम से जाना जाता है. Option A is the correct answer. How many international airports are there in Jammu and Kashmir? एक ही है, शेखुल आलम, श्रीनगर में. Sindh Nala Sindh is one of the tributaries of which river? Jhelum River. What is the UT animal of Jammu and Kashmir? Hangul. B is the correct answer. Which of following is the most important summer crops of Jammu and Kashmir? C is the correct answer. Which of the following places has the distinction of being Asia's only heli-skiing resort? Option D, Gulmarg, is the correct answer. The river Tavi in Jammu and Kashmir originates from which spring? Kailash Kund Spring is the correct answer. Option C. Which of the following lakes are the two most significant lakes of Pulwama district? Option C, Tarsar and Marsar lakes. Mansbal Lake is located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Option D, Gandarbal, is the correct. Part of the UT of J&K has a typical monsoon tropical climate. Option A, Southern, is the correct answer. The meanders of the river Jhelum enter which of the following lakes? Option D, that's Wula Lake, is the correct answer.